ओके सो दिस इज़ एक्चुअली माई फर्स्ट यूट्यूब वीडियो एंड ऑनेस्टली मुझे नहीं पता था कि मुझे फर्स्ट वीडियो किस चीज़ के ऊपर बनाना चाहिए. बट देन आई थॉट अगर मैं यूट्यूब स्टार्ट कर ही रही हूँ देन वाई नॉट स्टार्ट विद व्हाट्स एक्चुअली हैपनिंग इन माई लाइफ राइट नाउ. आई एम इन माई 7th सेमेस्टर ऑफ BTech कंप्यूटर साइंस एंड इंजीनियरिंग एंड प्लेसमेंट सीजन चल रहा है कॉलेज में. आई हैव अप्लाइड टू अराउंड 10 कंपनीज एंड 4 कंपनीज ने मुझे शॉर्टलिस्ट किया था. एप्टीट्यूड और टेक्निकल टेस्ट था जो मैंने क्लियर किया था एंड देन 4 इंटरव्यूज दिए एंड 0 सिलेक्शन. So basically I am currently in my 7th semester of BTech Computer Science and Engineering and I live in Surat and college is actually going on normally. मतलब प्लेसमेंट सीजन चल रहा है बट कॉलेज ऑब्वियसली रुकता नहीं है, वो भी रेगुलर चल रहा है. तो रेगुलर स्टडीज़ है, असाइनमेंट्स है, प्रैक्टिकल्स है एंड रिसर्च वर्क एंड केस स्टडीज़ भी है अलग सब्जेक्ट्स की. सो एक साइड पे यू आर अटेंडिंग लेक्चर्स एंड डूइंग ऑल दिस कॉलेज वर्क्स एंड समवेयर इन द and somewhere in the background placement is also running in your head. And we had an option to choose between placement, research work and startup and I chose placement. Not because I had everything figured out. Honestly मुझे भी नहीं पता था exactly क्या होगा, but I knew कि मुझे placement करना है. And that's basically where I am right now. So let's talk about what actually happened. I started applying to companies and so far I have applied to around 10 companies and in my on-campus placement drive, out of those 4 companies ने मुझे shortlist किया and obviously shortlist होना was a very good feeling. The first round was conducted in my college itself. It was an aptitude and technical test. I gave the test and I cleared it. So then I reached the interview stage and I gave interviews for all 4 companies. At that point, obviously you start thinking maybe this one will work out. Maybe this is it. But I wasn't selected in any of the 4 companies. 4 companies and 0 selections. And honestly, this is probably the part that made me think a little more about where I actually am. Because getting shortlisted is one thing, giving the interview is another thing, and then actually getting selected, that's a completely different thing. But unfortunately, the story didn't go that way for me this time. I think one of the biggest thing I realized from this interview was sometimes I actually knew the answers, but I couldn't explain it confidently. And that's a very weird feeling. Because interview के बाद you remember the answer, you are sitting there thinking, यहाँ मैं better answer दे सकती थी. यहाँ मुझे थोड़ा confidently बोलना चाहिए था. Maybe मैं properly explain करती तो मेरा selection हो जाता. And then you just keep thinking about it for a while. I'm not saying every interview went badly because of this, but I definitely realized that communication and confidence are things I need to work on. And yes, मेरा confidence काफ़ी down हुआ था, especially when you know that you could have answered something better. But I think that's also something I need to accept, that I am still learning and I'm still preparing and I'm still figuring out what works for me. I'm not going to sit here and tell you that I have cracked the placement process because clearly मैं खुद अभी crack नहीं कर पाई हूँ. But I'm still here and I am still trying. And now there's one more thing. I have to find a company and join by 1st September. So there's obviously some urgency. I can't just keep applying randomly and think, हाँ देखते हैं कब होता है. I have to keep trying and keep giving interviews, keep preparing. And at the same time, मुझे college भी manage करना है. And honestly, I don't know what's going to happen. Maybe something works out soon, hopefully. Maybe it takes a few more interviews. Maybe something completely unexpected happens. I genuinely don't know. And I think that's the most honest thing I can say right now. I don't have a job offer to show you. I don't have some success story where I can tell you exactly what everything worked out. I'm just in the middle of it. And right now, I'm basically trying to improve the things I know I need to improve. That is communication, confidence, preparation. I'm not going to give you a 10-step placement strategy in this video because honestly, I'm still figuring it out myself. So, this isn't a placement advice video. It's just this is where I am right now. And I thought maybe someone else is also in the exact same phase. Maybe you're also applying. Maybe you're also waiting. Maybe you have also given the interviews and walked out thinking I could have answered that better. If that's you, yeah, same. I think placement season is just different for everyone. Some people get selected early, some people take multiple attempts, and some people are still waiting. And then there's college happening at the same time. You have an assignment due, there's a practical, there's some case study, there's some research work, and you have to attend college. And then somewhere between all of that, you are checking whether a company has opened applications. And sometimes you just think कि मेरा कब होगा. I think a lot of final year students can relate to this. Not because everyone's situation is exactly the same, but because everyone is somewhere in this process. Somewhere between applying, waiting, preparing, interviewing, and trying again. And I'm somewhere in that process too. And that's basically it. No big lessons, no motivational speech. I'm just saying I'm here too. And somewhere in the middle of all this, I decided to start YouTube. Which is also slightly funny because I have absolutely no idea what I am doing. This is literally my first YouTube video, and I don't know how comfortable I'm going to be talking to a camera. I don't know if I'm going to like my editing. I don't know if I'm going to watch this video 1 month later and think, why did I upload this? But I guess that's okay because I'm also learning. I am learning how to talk to a camera, how to edit, how to make a video, how to tell a story without being weird. And honestly, I don't want to wait until I'm perfect at it. Because if I keep waiting for the perfect time to start, I'll probably never start. So this is me starting. And the reason I wanted to make this video specifically is because I don't want to only document the good part. Like imagine I start my YouTube video after getting placed, then I could have just come and say, hi guys, I got placed. And that's nice. But then you wouldn't know what happened before it. You wouldn't know about the applications, the interviews, the rejections, everything that I faced, the confidence issues, the preparation, all of that. And hopefully, eventually, the selection too. Not after everything is sorted, not after I already know the ending. Right now. Because maybe someday I'll look back at this video and remember exactly where I was in my 7th semester, still in college, preparing for my placements, still applying, 4 interviews and 0 selection, and trying to figure things out. This is basically day 1. So, yeah, that's where I am right now. I don't know what happens next, and I'm not going to pretend that I do. Maybe the next few weeks will be completely different. Maybe I'll have a job offer. Maybe I'll still be searching. I genuinely don't know. But whatever happens, I want to document it. Because this isn't the story after everything worked out. This is the story where I'm still figuring it out. And if you're also somewhere in this phase, applying, interviewing, waiting, or just wondering, Mera kab hoga, then I guess you're not the only one. This is my first video, and honestly, I'm just curious to see where this goes. If you want to follow this journey, subscribe because this is literally day one. Let's see where this goes, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.